Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV chenro mar migago wadhi nyime. Gavana ma Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu ochiwo singo ni arita ibiro ridi ne jotim limbe mowuok e pinje maoko nyete kinde ni ma limbe ma karito le ma bunge ma Masai Mara medore. Kolose nyasi mar ayanga udi e gweng' ma Ekinenje kar chieng' bura ma Narok West. Ntutu yango ni luasi mar arita oseride magawa kod kuonde nindo mopogore opogore e karito leno. Le e kido mar riwo maromo milion 3 igeno ni biro chako wuoth mahiga ka higa mago Wild Beast kaging'ada ora Mara kendo donje pacho ka kuwuok e karito le ma Serengeti e piny Tanzania.
Masai Manyatas is where you learn the Ma culture. Kenyans who are local tourists, this is the best time to visit the Masai Mara. Masai Mara offers a lot. The balloon safaris, the walking safaris, the game drives both in the morning and also in the evening. And I can assure you, we have all rates. We have many hotels.
We are very well prepared. We have all our staff on site to ensure that we deliver the best services to our customers and that there is no gap at all.
There have been so many incredible experiences, from the people to the birds, to the animals, to the landscape, the plants. Everything is just incredible.
How much for how much? Pagain, and I will say Yamobali. You know, the Beresa Bolibole, you go on a Nashinda Sisi, in Andia na Pidole, if Nagella Sisi Nazara Lufutano, and Nangalia Pidole.
Wild Beast migration washakuja kuanzia jana leo. Kwa hivyo naambia wale watu wanataka kuja hapa, sisi tuko tayari, tunawapokea.